Most detailers think growing their business means packing their schedule with more and more clients. But here's the truth. You don't always need more people walking through your door. What you really need is to make more from the clients you already have. And of course, that's where AI comes in. Today, I'm going to show you how AI can automatically suggest upsells in your detailing business, helping you increase revenue without adding stress or longer hours. When I first came into Hayes Detail, things weren't great. The employees were working past 5 p.m. every single day, the owner was burnt out, and the business wasn't making much of a profit. It didn't take long for me to realize that working harder wasn't really the solution. We didn't need longer hours, we needed smarter systems. And that's when I started learning strategy, sales processes, and eventually AI. And here's what I discovered. Shops that thrive don't just clean cars. They strategically package, upsell, and automate their services. So every booking brings in more value without adding more stress. Here are 5 ways you can start upselling with AI today and how to make them work in your business. Number 1, built-in upsells on your OrbisX booking page. With OrbisX, upsells are built right into your online booking flow. At the bottom of the booking form, your customers are going to see make the most out of your appointment. This is where you can feature add-ons like ceramic coating, headlight restoration, engine bay cleaning. Why this works? It puts premium services in front of your customers early and makes them feel like they're customizing their visit, not just being sold to. Next, personalized AI recommendations. Chatbots like ManyChat or OrbisX Luna chatbot can suggest relevant services based on what your client books. For example, most customers who choose a full interior detail also add a stain protection. Want to include that today? This helps because it feels like a trusted recommendation instead of just another sales pitch. And number 3, post-service follow-up offers. After a client's appointment, OrbisX can send a message 2 days later like, hey, your car looks amazing. Protect that shine and book a ceramic coating within 7 days and get 10% off. This is crucial because you stay top of mind while the customer is excited about how great their car looks. Number 4, seasonal and loyalty campaigns. Use OrbisX or tools like Klaviyo to target customers with seasonal deals or rewards. Winter is coming. Book a rust protection now and save 15%. Or thank you so much for being a VIP client. Get a free fabric guard with your next full detail. This is important because seasonal reminders and loyalty perks turn one-time clients into repeat customers. And lastly, number 5, bundle service packages. AI design tools like Canva AI or AddCreative.ai make it easy to promote bundles. Full interior detail plus an engine bay clean plus a glass coating and save $50 when you book all 3. This is key. Bundles make high-ticket services feel like a deal and encourage customers to book more all at once. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Gosh, this sounds overwhelming. But that's exactly why I built HDP Academy. And on October 24th, we are gonna go live with the biggest business course ever for detailers. Inside, I'm gonna teach you step-by-step how to automate your upsells your clients actually want, build systems that make your business more profitable, and of course, run your business so much smarter. Seats for this live event are completely free, but they are limited. So be sure to click that link in the description and reserve your spot today. Let me show you how this looks in action. If a client books a $150 interior detail and at the bottom of the OrbisX booking page, they see, make the most out of your appointment, add an engine bay cleaning for $99, and then they add it. And then a week later, AI sends them a follow-up, hey, your interior looks amazing. Before it gets dirty again, protect it with an interior ceramic coating, and then they book it again. That single $150 service just turned into a $500+ sale. and you didn't have to pitch or persuade. That's not just upselling, that's building a smarter, more profitable business model. So here's the truth. Most retailers are working way too hard for way too little. Upselling isn't about pressuring your customers. It's about helping them get the most value out of their service and running a business that actually pays you back for your time. With AI, these offers happen naturally. No more awkward conversations, no forgotten add-ons, just well-timed, helpful suggestions that make customers happy and boost your profits. If you're ready to stop grinding for every dollar and start taking action that actually helps your business's growth, then be sure to hit that link in the description and join me on October 24th for our HDP Academy business course launch. And I'll walk you through everything step by step. And upsells are just the start. In the next video, I'll show you how AI can turn one-time client into lifetime customers with simple automated follow-ups that keep your schedule full. So be sure, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, stay driven.